video, as you can see, andito na ako sa bahay. Dito na ako ulit mag-film and everything. And I hope okay lang yung audio ko. Kasi parang may echo. For some reason, may echo yung area na to ngayon. Anyway, I'm also using natural light from the window. So kung nag-iiba-iba yung parang ano natin, minsan magiging maaraw, minsan mawawala yung araw, it's because I'm using yung natural light from the window. Pag may naririnig kayong ingay, that's my little electric fan down here because mainit sa kwarto na to. And pag binuksan ko kasi yung aircon, Diyos ko day, mas maingay pa yung aircon. So, I hope you don't mind. Ang dami kong mga disclaimer and everything. Pero don't worry, this is going to be our setup in the next couple of weeks. Pero siguro by October, magbabaga ng setup natin because I am going to redecorate our room. Gagawin ko siyang parang pang-office na talaga. Well, you know, work from home setup. I-vlog ko rin yun, so please make sure na nakasubscribe kayo sa channel ko, yung bell button, paki-ring para alam nyo pag nag-upload ako ng video. Anyway, tama na ko that. Let's proceed with the makeup. So, I did my brows na and my base off cam para mabilis tayo kasi this is what I'm going to show to you guys. Ooh, yeah. Nung ni-receive ko to, pagbukas ko, sabi ko, my God, chocolates ba to? But they're not. Ito yung FS Cosmetics or Features and Shades Filipiniana Eyeshadow Palette na, my God, ang tagal kang hinintay. I have the 4 shades of the palette. By the way, ito pala yung box, you guys. It is so pretty. Nakita nyo? Ice yan, no? Noong una sabi ko, ano to, dahon? Tapos nung tinignan ko maigi, oh my God, it's mata. Diba? The eyelashes, the eyes, ang galing, ang ganda. And then, ito yung shade, andito yung ingredients. It's made in Taiwan. But anyway, let me just show you all the shades. So, first one is Ginihugma, Minamahal. I do believe that's Minamahal in Bisaya. And this is what it looks like. Next shade is Sinisinta. This is Sinisinta. Medyo hawig siya nung Ginihugma, pero meron siyang black shade right here. And meron ka pala makukuha ang applicator. And the next shade is Iniibig. Wow! Ang ganda po! Ganda ni Iniibig. Kaibig-ibig talaga. So, you have here pinks and mauves. And meron siyang little brown mauve here. And then the last one is Minamahal. This is Minamahal. So, you have browns here. And then you have a mauve here. And then you have a white shade. This is probably a highlighter for your brow bone, and ito yung darkest shade. All of these shades, parang pwede mo siyang magamit for everyday and even for nighttime. Tingnan niyo yung mismong packaging, napakaganda you guys. Napakaganda. It's not that heavy, pero mukha siyang like, pag tinignan mo, mukha siyang, you know, shawla and everything. Mag-insert na lang ako ng arm swatch ng mga eyeshadows. Insert na natin ngayon. Okay, insert na natin ngayon. So! Napupusuan ko talaga tong si Iniibig. So I think I'm going to use this today. Ganda oh. So, let's start. So, done with the eyes. Pero bago ko sabihin yung final thoughts ko, tapusin muna natin yung face ko. For the blush, Sunny's Face in Raz. Cosmetics or Contour in Parshore. Yung ating eyeshadow, wag na tayong lumayo. For the lips, I'm also going to use yung from FS Cosmetics, yung kanilang Filipiniana liquid lipstick in the shade Matalino. Here. So, what are my final thoughts? Honestly, yung formula nito, yung consistency niya, it reminded me of yung kanilang mga single eyeshadows na super duper favorite ko. Ang dami ko nang ginawang videos na yun yung eyeshadow na gamit ko, yung parang mga single eyeshadows nila. So, parang medyo malapit yung formula nito with those single eyeshadows. So, I loved it. It's very, very pigmented. Madali naman siyang i-blend. Medyo ma-powdery lang siya, but you know, hindi naman siya ganun ka-bothering na powdery kasi okay naman yung parang pigment niya and madali na siyang i-apply. So, I do recommend that you try these, you guys. So, what are the shades na mara-recommend ko? Definitely, ito, si Iniibig, getchingin nyo to because it's really, really nice. I love the shades, I love the colors. Ngayon, yung tatlo, ang medyo magkakamukha. So, ito yung natitirang tatlo. So, sa tatlong to, alin yung, di ba, mukha sila magkakamukha day. So, sa tatlong to, ano yung pinaka maganda? This one is, I do recommend this. This is for everyday wear. Ito ang ginihugma because it's very, very perfect for everyday wear. Ngayon, dito sa dalawang to, I would probably get this one. Itong si Sinisinta just because of the black shade. Kasi, you really need a black shade on your eyeshadow, you guys. Lalo na if you're gonna use it for, well, hindi naman tayo makakapag-aura at night, pero madami ka magagawa sa black shade. So, eto. So, hindi ko masyadong napupusuan na bunch is this one. Eto si Minamahal. I mean, this one is so nice, pero parang ma-achieve mo naman siya with Sinisinta and, Ginihugugma. Ginihig. Diyos ko, Bisaya ako, pero nahihirapan akong Bisaya yung nanay ko, pero nahihirapan akong sabihin, ginihug. Okay, yun na yun. So, yun. Those are my favorite shades. So, the Filipiniana Eyeshadow Palette retails for 395 pesos. Pero as of now, naka-sale siya ng 335.75. Hindi ko lang sure kung maabutan nyo yung sale. But, try nyo. Pero, retails for 395 kung sakali hindi nyo maabutan yung sale. And I think it's worth it naman. Kasi, napakaganda dahil una sa lahat, napakaganda ng packaging, meron ka pang mirror, nagustuhan ko yung formula ng eyeshadow. Reminds me of the single eyeshadow na love ko talaga. So, I'm gonna link it down below where you can get it. So, go na. But yeah, those are my final thoughts dito sa Filipiniana or FS Cosmetics Filipiniana Eyeshadow. So, I do recommend that you try it. So, that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye-bye!